With the next YZF-R7's design concept of the beauty of cornering controllability, the overarching premise was to have the design emphasize the bike's cornering characteristics as much as possible. We got started by envisioning a machine with both beauty and performance, one that delivered everything expected of a Supersport bike while making the act of cornering itself feel beautiful. The key words that guided the styling were sleek, smooth, and clean. Retaining the R-Series' iconic theme of horizontal movement, the R7 exudes the purity of a Supersport and the smart tech of a modern mount, a pairing distinct to Yamaha motor styling. The front end of the new R7 features both beauty and functionality. We completely revised the aerodynamics package and sought to give the headlight a sense of depth while crafting the optimal form for functionality. The sharp, low-set gaze of the face defines the bike's overall presence, so the majority of our attention went toward the front view. To deliver both RDNA and preserve the previous R7's skinny proportions concept, we debated various possible methods to use and adopted two pairs of thin, upswept, and sharp-looking digital eyes as position lights. When hit by natural light or passing street lights, the front and body melt into the airflow and slice through the air itself. The R7's sleek form lets you feel a beauty unique to its skinny proportions. One of the hallmarks of Yamaha motor design is the use of contrasting expressions. With this R7 update, we tried sculpting its form by combining opposing static and dynamic elements. First, the side, top, and front views have static-themed surfaces and shapes aimed at creating a clean and elegant impression. But from a slightly different angle, the lines and surfaces begin to move, with the highlights and reflections seemingly starting to dance. In short, this creates a dynamic feeling. These two contrasting elements alongside each other give the updated R7 the air of a next-generation Supersport, blending modern cool with the passion of classic Supersport machines. We hope customers will look around the bike and feel the static and dynamic elements we built into it firsthand. Of course, to express its emphasis on cornering, we kept the previous version's lightweight, slim, and compact design, but took it even further so that this updated R7 makes you want to lean that little bit deeper. Unique to the R7 is its profile that gradually grows broader from the front. To convey how slim the bike is, we narrowed the radiator's front intake area and created iconic side fairings to direct air around the rider. We closely studied how light hits and reflects off the bike in a lean, so when actually out on the track, the way the R7 plays with reflections makes the bike instantly recognizable. It's a design you'll appreciate when admiring your own bike, but it's also something others can sense. Seeing the dashing figure of an agile R7 flying down the asphalt with the light catching its form is sure to leave a lasting impression on anyone watching. The tail design was a point of focus as well. We gave the new R7's tail section a winged shape that spreads out toward the rear, reminiscent of the winglets seen on today's MotoGP machines. We did this not only to keep the bike itself slim, but also to create an airflow-focused design that stands out when cornering. The R9 has its winglets at the front, while the R7s are at the rear, continuing the R-Series tradition of preserving each model's uniqueness. The skeletal-like black of the subframe stretches to the taillight, and the tail seems to float like a feathery robe. This makes the tail area visible from the side when in a lean, bringing out a sense of agility and airflow in motion. The rear shows the R7's iconic contours the most. Circuit enthusiasts spend a lot of time fixated on the tail of the rider ahead of them. The R7's distinct tail design makes it instantly recognizable. In other words, it's a machine meant to run at the front. We made the new R7's shoulders look sharp, giving it a curvature that implies it can hit deep leans. The low, dynamically shaped fuel tank, the sharply sculpted seat, the ergonomically smooth surfaces, the MotoGP-inspired handle crown. We all work together to turn the latest model into a cool, beautiful machine. Whether on a back road or on track, we hope riders will be able to feel everything we put into the new R7.